Hey, I'm Leslie. I'm back again from the Netherlands, back at Delhi at DHI. It feels like a bit like coming home. The doctor gave me my new life. I get so many compliments. Last week I was in Bali and the main question they asked me, what do you study? And I'm 43 years old. Somehow it's a big compliment. So 1 year later now my hair is fully grown, the density is good, and even my childhood curly hair is back and it feels really natural. I'm not afraid to go on a picture anymore. Or you go into the sea or swimming pool, you dive on the water, you go out, it's still there. So that's really a life changer. And there's so many countries to choose from, so many clinics. Before the procedure, you have to do different blood tests. And at this point is perfectly the difference between the West and here. In the Netherlands, it was really harsh to do it. It was all impossible. I just sent one mail to one of the doctors here and I got a reaction. You can do it all at once. This all-in constructions, I mean, it's not a restaurant where you just eat. It's really a thing for your life. DHI is effective, efficient and professional, and I never regretted any moment. The best hair transplant surgeons of the world over here in India. So in my case, it's 1 year later and I have no regrets at all and only boosted confidence. So I'm done here. I've got the best result ever and now it's your turn.